and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're exploring the fascinating world of AI-generated artwork. Let's get started. Launch your web browser and head over to Bing.com. Then, type AI Image Creator into the search bar and hit Enter. Choose the top link that appears. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. Simply enter the scene or theme you wish to visualize in the search box and click Create. Give it a short while to work its wonders. When it's done, you'll be treated to stunning visuals like the examples displayed here. Review these artworks and adjust your initial ideas as needed. As I change here, the power to alter is completely in your hands, as shown here. Again, click on Create button and preview your images. Downloading your chosen artworks is effortless, just a simple click. Creating AI art is really this straightforward. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you for tuning in.